You are running an e-commerce store and you have your online website. Customers explore, select products, and place orders. At the same time, you also have multiple branches. People walk in for in-store shopping, and daily sales are happening at every outlet. And this is where the real headache starts. Inventory mismatch. Result: overselling, canceled orders, upset customers, and your brand trust takes a hit. One website plus multiple branches is a powerful combination, but if inventory sync isn't perfect, it turns into chaos instead of profit. To solve this problem permanently, we built iSmartSync, Pakistan's first fully Shopify integrated POS system, built to smartly sync your online Shopify sales and in-store branch sales, so your stock stays accurate at all times. Now I'll show you how to buy a plan. After signing in to iSmartSync, go to Billing. Here you'll see all available plans: Air, Pro, Max, and Ultra. You can compare the features included in each plan right here. If you want more details, visit our pricing page on the website. There you can choose your billing duration, monthly, quarterly, or annual, and explore all features, add-ons, pricing, and plan details. You can also customize your plan using our Plan Suggester, which recommends the best plan based on your needs. For example, number of salespeople or members' expected orders per month, total counters across branches, staff roles and permissions, FBR per counter, auto-stock sync, and other automation needs. As you adjust your requirements, you'll see instant pricing. Once you finalize what you need, fill in the form and contact us on WhatsApp to proceed.